Hey guys, Brady Carlisle here. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to extract email addresses from members of your Facebook community that you've already accepted in. First things first, we'll need a spreadsheet such as this, where the header is the questions that you ask the members before they join. For example, their name, their best email, and their monthly income online. Now, I have just accepted both Anime and Steven. So we'll click on their profile, and this does not take us to their main profile. If we want to see their main profile, we'll click on these three dots, view main profile. But for now, we are concerned about their group profile. We'll scroll down, see membership questions, find their name. I already did this, but we'll go do it again for the video. Email, monthly income, monthly income. And we'll find Steven. Once again, this is his group profile, which that is what we are concerned about. Take his name, take his email, and take his monthly income. Now we have these email addresses in our spreadsheet, so we can send out emails to clients hoping to make them leads. Hope this video was useful. Sure it was. But yeah, have a good rest of your day.